Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay, Hero Ball as well. It's Tuesday, March 18th. The market closed 21 minutes ago. I just finished streaming like 21 minutes ago. If you were there, thank you so much for hanging out. We hit a new all-time high on the stream. 340 people on at one time at one point during the stream. My previous high was 325. So if you were there, thank you so much. I stream every single day for Power Hour, 2 and through close, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. I'm always on. So subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss the notification, or just come looking for me because sometimes a lot of people don't even get the notification, but they know I'm on. I'm always on. I also stream during the overnight during London. No set time, but whenever I hop on. As you can see here, if you already haven't noticed, I blew my fucking 5 funded Apex accounts. Again, I just keep blowing funded Apex accounts. It's weird the shift that I'm in the process of going through right now. Here I am blowing Apex funded accounts left and right. After growing them, I'll grow them and then I'll just have a fucking bad day. And this was no different. And then in Take Profit Trader, I'm literally pressing a payout for the 3rd day in a row. It's weird what's happening. Something's definitely shifting in me, but it doesn't mean I want to walk away or give up on Apex. I just need to figure out how to do both because I've gotten good at getting paid every single day from Take Profit Trader, but for some reason, I keep doing shit like this with Apex. So I need to get back to doing both. I want the best of both worlds. I want to be getting paid every single day while also building accounts and growing them to payouts as well. It's not something I haven't ever done in the past in terms of getting payouts from Apex. I've gotten a ton of Apex payouts, probably like 25 at this point, 25 or 26. I don't even know the exact number. Somewhere between 25 and 30 since May, my first ever payout in May. But lately, it's been rough. So what's crazy is I was up in this. I took a position while I was streaming during the overnight. I was up a quick like 160 or 180. And of course, I didn't lock in gains when I could have because I know if I would have locked in gains, it would have hit my take profit. But because I didn't lock in gains, it stopped me out. And then I kept going against what was happening. It was going down. I kept going against it. I kept getting stopped out. I was down big. And then I caught a bounce. I finally caught the bounce. And I was in the trade. I wish I could find it. It's too far. It's way down here. Let me see if I can get to it. So right here. It started here. I think I went long. I was up. Didn't take it. Got stopped out some more, got some money here, and then I took this bounce right here, and then I'm trailing with my stop, and I'm like right around here, and what does it do? It literally, the candle just goes like this, boom, takes me out, and then proceeds to go up, what, how many points from there? 41 to fucking 30 points. I didn't need 30 points. I probably could have used 15 points, 15, 20 points, or not even 10 at that point, like 10 points would have got me to break even, but 15 points or so would have basically had me done for the day. But no, that's what happens. And then I go against it. It keeps going up, and then I just finally blew it. And then right after I blow it short, if I was long here, right after it gets blown, it goes up and fucking pops. But that was the story. That's just been the story of me with Apex lately. I don't know what it is, but it sucks and it's annoying and it's frustrating. But at least I'm getting payouts. I got between money that hit my bank account and money I requested this week alone, it's $3,299 in payouts across all the platforms I trade with. At $5,867 in total payouts once I request this Take Profit Trader payout. So it's not the end of the world. It just sucks that this keeps happening because I could have easily have grown these accounts some more, you know? So once I eliminate all the dumb shit, I'll probably be able to get back in the winner circle with these accounts, with Apex accounts. So, you know, and then of course, during the stream, I tried passing. I tried a 250K. I haven't traded 250K in a long time. And man, it's hard to fucking trade those things because you don't have a lot of drawdown. And just the price action today was awful. Like, look, this is what we did all day. This is the 15-minute candle. We literally were just in this bullshit range all fucking day after dumping going into the open. So it was just tough to trade. It's unfortunate. I'm not making any excuses. It just sucks, you know, but I'm not going to quit, right? I'm just going to keep pushing forward. That's all you can do. Winners never quit. Quitters never win. I will get back into getting well, I am getting habitual payouts with Apex. I did get paid by Apex this month, but I want to get back to, you know, getting multiple payouts with Apex where it's just fucking stacking payouts just with Apex and obviously with all the other platforms I trade with too. So they are running a deal right now. It's 71% off any size account using code ZERODAYJAY. There's a couple of wrinkles. It's interesting, this whole promotion, right? It's not as good as 80%, but it's also better than 50%. Back in the day, before they switched to 50% being the default, when an 80% or 90% off deal would expire, the default discount would be 71%. Now they're using it as a sale. They're calling it a flash sale. But what's interesting about it is the 250Ks and the 300s are cheaper now when you put in the bet code ZERODAYJ, then they were at 80% off. They're the same price as the 50Ks right now. So you could get these bigger accounts of 250s and 300s for $48. They were $60 last week with the 80% off deal. They have $40 resets, but then the other wrinkle is for those big accounts, the 250s and 300s, they brought back the $85 lifetime PA fee. So obviously they're pushing for people to get into the bigger accounts. I get it. They're harder to pass. They're harder to get payouts on, but some people do really well with them. I see people getting payouts on those all the time. It's not me. It's not really my cup of tea. I did try to pass one. Maybe I'll try to pass another one just for shits and giggles, but and just have this big account that becomes like a pet project. But I'm still going to stick with the 50Ks. Those are still my favorite. That's where I had the most success. The 150Ks are good too. I'm surprised they didn't lump in the 150K with this too, but there's obviously a reason for it. They must have worked the numbers and got the metrics, and it just made more sense for them to push people into 250s and 300s. But anyway, if you want to take advantage of this, use my code ZERODAYJ. It's the best code on the Prop from Streets. It's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the Prop Streets. I can't confirm it with actual data, but the DGen data in the chat, on the stream, in the Discord tells me this is the case. You should try it for yourself. If you want to support the channel, use it. If not, no big deal. The fact that you're watching this or hanging out on my streams or in the Discord or any of that is support enough, and I appreciate for that. So thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Catch me on my streams, like I said, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern every single day for Power Hour, 2 and through close, and sometime during the overnight, during London. I don't know exactly when, just whenever I hop on, all right? Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon.